This is Alexander Vera for CIS274 XML. Instructor at Carthorne week 8. The assignment for this week was to take the Excel sheet and convert it into a XML file with a DCD or XSD database or setup. As you can see, I wasn't able to get the DTD done in time. Was able to get the vast majority of the Excel file up until like line 300, I guess, or 298. I think it's 298 is where I stopped. I try to get everything done in time. With this code, I started with, the root file name, XML challenge exercise, and I had the class name. And each file, each child element, it's the class is one of the names. The name of the class, and under the name of the class you had the class number, I think that's the credential number, the start date, the end date, the instructor name, and email. That's how I started it off. I noticed that there was various differences between some of these. Some of these are like the exact same. Sometimes the credential would be different, the start end date would be different, or the teacher, instructor, and email would be different. I probably made this a lot more complicated than I needed to, and when I said that, I did these child elements for almost all of them, and it's quite a bit of them. 1600 lines, up until a certain point where I decided to change what I was doing or change my approach. I believe it was here. And with this, I just took the class name first, and if that wasn't different, then I would put I just realized this. The class number, and then I changed it to start and end date, and then I put the multiple dates because some of them were, I guess, just a one-day affair for the start and the end date, and then they stopped having an instructor. So if the credential number was different, I would make a new one. Well, these names are different, and then have the start and end date, and that saved up actually a lot of space, and I probably should have did that from the beginning, in order to save space, save time, a lot of time, for this bottom half, which I think I did a lot better, and I probably should have did that from the beginning, because up here I just did, if there was a different date, I just made a whole another child element, which was very foolish of me, come to think of it. What I did is quite a lot. So this is my week 8 assignment. Sorry for anything that's missing. Yeah, thank you.